story behind this tree, guys. If you're unfaithful to your other half, when you die, you have to stay in this tree. So if you've been playing the field, let's hope it's not true, eh?
No.
You're going to grow it in the lake? What's it called? Gachet.
Gachud.
Gachud.
Gachet, they got white foam round.
I'm nearly right then. There's that gate. Otherwise they'll be straight through there looking for the fallen mangoes under the tree. Goat poo buckets. Yeah, a couple of bucketfuls today for the coconut trees. I think they're ready to come out. Which one today, Leigh? We'll go for the pronged approach. Toon's growing her aquatic plant. I ain't got time for that sort of thing. All right, Doris? How are we doing, Doris, eh? No, there's no mangoes, love. Not seen any. Yabby, yabby!
Kill Doris.
Come on, mate. Otherwise you get left behind. Sky!
No.
Always those two, isn't it? I'll leave them. Oh, I've switched to a different naughty stick. Go on, you lot. They're out a bit late today. A bit skinny. Come on. All right, Natasha. Look at little Sophia, the little black one. She's the one who ended up in the well. And Tattoo, you're looking good, girl. Hoover, don't let me down, girl. Hoover, come on. Let's go. Chop, chop. You'll like it, honest. Come on. Let's go. Natasha, shake her hoof. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Blackhead. Choppity chop chop. Oh, I like it when my wife's strict. Shrek, get in there, mate. Oh, we got a breakaway. Yeah, I can't run properly because you've not bought me my new flip-flops.
I know that.
Hey, Heidi. Oh, that's not gone well. Hey. Oh, Annetta.
Hey.
Bane of my life, you. Go on.
No.
Go on. Come on.
No.
Hey, Hoover. That's it. Walk all over my papayas. That's it.
Hey.
Excellent. Good help. Go on. Chop, chop.
Doris gonna find in. Hey, follow Doris.
Doris is in. The mango addict is in already. Mango magnet. Oh, they're all. Oh, Bullseye's running. But he's excited. He's out with the girls today. Go on, Geraldine. Get in there, old girl. Any minute now, Toon's going to get all moody. Zero tolerance, that woman. Blackie, come on. Yabby, yabby, yabby. Oh, look at those two. A couple of plonkers up there. Yabby. Whatever, mate. It's one of our farm mottos, guys. Keep up or get left behind. That's everyone apart from those two, isn't it?
Father. No, you go too far. Keep it.
Kickboard so they can't get underneath.
Where are they?
They're up on the road. That's it. Flat out noshing. That's what we want to see. Jesus. Running off with the blue netting. Weeds. No. Our goat likes to eat blue netting.
Ow.
Ridiculous. Want a good shift out of you today, Coffee? None of that laying around. You don't need telling twice, do you, Gypsy? Good girl.
Didn't you? You say she's a good girl.
Whoa. Whoa. A quick update on the fish in the pond, guys. To date, took 13 big striped catfish out, 2 giant gourami, and a huge pacu. I know, we've still got to drain it. Good lad, Shrek. Now, this is the lad that we're going to keep, I think. And the reason is round here, look at this. You don't get many of them to a pound. He's hung like his dad. So, I think he might end up replacing him, maybe. You're a good lad, Shrek, aren't you, eh? He's a good temperament, easy to handle. I know he's still small, but proportion wise is what we're looking for. Big hindquarters, nice fat neck, nice nature. Alright, Tattoo, I think you're the most beautiful one in the herd, I have to say. Don't tell anyone else. Namdan's probably the shiniest at the moment. Her mum's down there, Haribo. When I did my recent palm tree update, I was talking a little bit about Haribo and that she was a bit under the weather. Boy, that was hard going. She'd got quite a heavy parasite load, and it took quite a while to get on top of it. She was under the weather, and a couple of the others got it as well. So yeah, it's been it's like all creatures great and small on the farm recently. Toon's been flying around with the syringe, and everyone's as they should be now, just about. This will be good for them today. Lots of wiry stuff for them to eat. Here's one of our young girls, Tequila. Look at the size of her. Oh, well, she's a bit aloof. Scared of Auntie Doris, isn't she, eh, girl? How's the mango situation? Yeah, she's getting through them. She is quite protective with her mangoes. Young Daisy's putting the weight on as well. Looks like Hoover's a couple of months into pregnancy, that's good. I've still got the cutest goat on the farm. Don't tell Toon. Come on, Sky, you got to pull your weight, mate. You can't just stand around, you got a job to do, mate. Whatever. That's brunch sorted then. You mind take these back to the house, and I'm going to move some goat poo.
Why now?
Because I'm a farmer, I've got farming to do.